Welcome to ERP and ERP. Let us now see how our MSS Leave app works. The MSS Leave app, developed by ERP and ERP team, works on both Android and iOS devices. This complements the ESS Leave app and completes the leave application lifecycle in SAP system. Coming to the architecture, this MSS Leave app is a Sybase mobile workflow application designed to enable managers to manage their task list and to approve or reject leave requests generated by their employees on the go using mobile devices. In order to access this application, select Workflows from the menu and you can see the MSS Leave app on your screen. Here you go. This is the MSS Leave app and your managers can log on through this screen. Assuming your employee already applied a leave and waiting for a manager's approval, let us see how a manager can check, approve or reject his employee's leave request. Your manager can just log in with their credentials, the same ID which is used in the SAP system. If by any chance wrong credentials are entered, an exception is raised. This validation happens in sync with backend SAP system. Now let's try entering the correct credentials. Let's enter the correct password. Your manager can just log in with his credentials. Once the manager logs in successfully, a task list of the manager is displayed. Manager can check the due list and select any particular leave request to check the details. Once employees who are reporting to this manager, pending leave requests are shown here. This hierarchy is fetched from backend SAP ECC system. Manager can render his decision by either approving or rejecting the leave request. Let us take an example of a manager approves a leave request. He can go down and approve the leave request. A status is displayed, leave request has been approved successfully. Once a leave is approved or rejected, it is no more displayed in the manager's task list. This is how a manager can approve, reject or check his employee's leave request on his mobile device using this application. Okay.